Cooking in the House with Brendo. Tonight, we're gonna make some fajitas, baby. Fajitas is an awesome dish to do because it's fun, it's festive, and does not take that much work. For tonight's dish, we're gonna be using a wok, some pre-marinated chicken, and some vegetable oil. Heat the vegetable oil in the wok. Once the vegetable oil is heated, add the chicken fajitas. Make sure to add all the juices and vegetables. Cook the chicken completely over medium-high heat. If you have lime available, squirt some over the top. How would I like to make it so there's like a small like wait, you guys show the photos you have like those guys. Hey you guys, welcome back. Our fajitas are almost done. They can be served in many different ways. They make great burritos, they make great tacos. You could serve them on a salad or have them by themselves. Here, take a look. Yum. Doesn't that look awesome? Tonight, we're serving our fajitas as tacos. In addition to our chicken fajitas, we also have some guacamole, sour cream, salsa, and hot sauce, as well as some tortillas that we've warmed up. I hope you guys can use this fajita recipe and make some festive fajitas of your own. See you guys later.